Welcome back to Add Art. Today we're going to be drawing a request from a lad called George, who's recently had a nasty accident. Thankfully he's okay, and he's asked me to draw a colourful chameleon to cheer him up. Now, before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing. Okay, let's make a start on this utterly unique lizard. First we'll draw the chameleon's eye. They have these amazing eyes that can rotate in 180 degrees independent of each other, so they can look at two things at the same time. Next we'll draw its crest, leading down to its nose. Put its mouth in, some cheeks. We'll bring its jaw straight down. They have almost like spiky beards underneath, so let's put that in. Bring the jaw up, crest down towards it. Put some creases just behind. And we'll put its leg in here, gripping onto a branch. And when a chameleon gets hungry, they can fire their tongue out of their heads really fast, and it's twice the length of their body. Imagine that at the dinner table. Now, let's bring its back arching up and over the top here. I'm kind of making this a little bit spiky. We'll just stop it there and bring the branch that it's sat on into the scene. Some little bits of the branch sticking up here. Bring the tail down, and the bottom of the branch. Okay, let's put its back leg gripping on. Let's put his belly in, just resting across the branch there. We'll put the rest of the branch and the end of it just under his chin. Now, we have these long curly tails. So we'll do a spiral. Then we'll bring the other side in. It's getting slightly narrower as it gets towards the end. And we'll join them up. There we go, and there's his curly tail. Now I'm just putting some detail on his back. Finish that leg. Some lines, creases near the body where it's resting. Some eyebrows and a nostril. Okay, let's put some foliage behind. Now, what makes some chameleons so incredible is they have special pigment cells under the skin called chromatophores, which allow them to change colour, combining pinks and purples, blues, reds, oranges, greens, blacks, browns and yellows. Some change colour for camouflage, so they can't be spotted, and others when they're angry, and some change colour so they can reflect and absorb heat in the desert. But you can decide what colour or combinations of colour you want your chameleon to be. Now you'll find chameleons living in habitats from rainforests to deserts, and almost half of the species live in Madagascar, but they can also be found in Africa and southern Europe and Sri Lanka and Asia, and have also been introduced into Hawaii, California and Florida. And there we have it. There is our colour changing chameleon. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one, George. Now, before I go, do remember to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow and for other people to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.